didn't see that. I was going to use the fork, but you know, the spoon was already dirty. Bring the heat up. Bottle of Mikey Sauce. I hope that's Mikey Sauce. No, that's Mikey Sauce. Yeah. The Mikey Sauce is a kind of a, well, it's a mix of all the other types of flavors. It's teriyaki, soy sauce, Worcestershire, and maple. I had a little bit of ghee in there with it to keep it from sticking, although I didn't think it was going to. And now it won't flip. It's stuck in the Mikey sauce, so there you go. You know, it's already done anyway. I'm just adding a little bit of flavor to it. We'll turn it down just a touch. It's really simple, isn't it? That's really simple. And then we're just going to throw some hunks of cheese over in there. Various different places. Just like that. A little more heat. See down in there? And that's some control right there. And as much wind as I had earlier, it was really nice to have the windbreak. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit, or just like that. Try to kind of do it like an omelet kind of thing, or just one piece of egg. I'm gonna roll it around some. Hopefully this pan won't stick all over the place. So it's really just Spam and eggs, but it's marinated in some Mikey sauce. There's some cheese, there's some Spam, there's some Mikey sauce, and I gotta tell you, it's like the best thing ever. Okay, that's starting to look really good right there. Except for that piece, got a little too close to the heat. And I think I am ready for that to come right on out of there. That's a pretty clean pan. I've cooked in this so much that some of the seasoning that I had came off. You can see this side is dark, this side is not. This is for looks and this is for cooks. There you go. Let's get rid of it. I'm gonna gap it up one time. Look at this. Can you see it? Oh man. That'll melt the bottom of your pan. I have not had Spam and eggs in a really long time. Did you see it? There it is, you know? I'm sure it's too hot to take a bite right now. And I'm gonna let it cool off. That's fried Spam. It's got that Mikey sauce flavor on it. It's kind of like doing a teriyaki western style thing. Ooh, cheesy. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Got some cheese. That little burnt piece of Spam right there. Oh man. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. Definitely like. Comment by all means. Yeah, I know. I'm not a bear in the woods. I didn't do Spam kebabs. I gotta admit, that looked pretty good. Oh man. With cooked with that ghee, with that sweet Mikey sauce that's in there. I will definitely use the Baby Bell again. That melted just phenomenally well right inside. So until next week, I'll see you then. I like Spam. I just don't eat it very often because it'd probably kill you if you did.